Today we're going to work on editing and your spelling list. Your words this week are vacant, insistent, reversible, patriotism, finalist, honorable, contestant, observant, urgent, pessimist, comfortable, absorbent, optimism, journalism, novelist, terrible, frequent, laughable, radiant, and collectible. Your challenge words this week are evident, triumphant, occupant, digestible, and curable. These word sorts and editing pages are similar to last week. This one says, write the basic word that completes each sentence. So where you see a number, like you see number 1 right here, I'll underline it in red, you're going to figure out which one of your basic words, so that's only 1 through 20, which one of your basic words fits in there. Because the entire staff wanted our school newspaper to be the best it could be, we held blank meetings to discuss improvements. Well, what kind of meetings might you hold? Would vacant, insistent, reversible, patriotism, finalist, honorable, contestant, observant, urgent, pessimist, comfortable, absorbent, optimism, journalism, novelist, terrible, frequent, laughable, or radiant? Well, if you're wanting your newspaper to improve or anything to improve, we think we need lots of practice. And so this one is going to be frequent. So on line number 1, you're going to write the word frequent. And then that sentence reads, because the entire staff wanted our school newspaper to be the best it could be, we held frequent meetings to discuss improvements. And you will continue on throughout the page and fill in numbers 2 through 10. The second page and the last page that we're going to do today is a word sort, similar to what we did last week. Last week we worked on prefixes. This week we are working on suffixes. And you can see in your word sort this week, you have the suffix ENT, ANT, ABLE, IBLE, ISM, and IST. And all you're doing in your word sort, it says write each basic word next to the correct suffix. So in row 1, you're looking for words that end with the suffix ENT. And so you'll go through and you'll find words like insistent, and you'll write it here in with the basic words. In the next row, you have the suffix ANT, and so you'll find words that end with ANT, like the word vacant ends with ANT, so vacant would go in this row here. The suffix ABLE, you're going to go through and you'll find, I think your first one there is honorable, ABLE, and so honorable would go in with your basic words for ending in ABLE. The suffix IBLE, you have the word, first one, reversible, ends in IBLE, reversible, and that would go in with those basic words. Now, then you have the suffixes ISM or IST, and you can see here with the ISM and the IST, you have finalist ends with IST, so finalist could go in there. And then ISM, you have words like patriotism, and that could fall under ISM. You are going to need to do all 20 words plus your challenge words. And you can see here it says challenge, add these words to your word sort. So every word needs to be sorted into your word sort. And that's your last Reader's Notebook activity for today.